guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Tonight is skincare. So we are dipping into some Purlisse for this evening and a few other things in between these two. So if you would like to see my thoughts on these two things and the other skincare that I use, well then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm doing good. I just got out of the shower. I have cleansed my face and I want to do some skincare. So these were gifted to me by Purlisse. Thank you, Purlisse, so much for sending these. Purlisse is one of my favorite skincare and they have some great makeup. So we got gifted the Yuzu Orange Exfoliator and the Yuzu Orange Moisturizer, which I do have the Yuzu Orange Moisturizer, so I will keep this one for a backup. Purlisse is, I love Purlisse. So what we're going to do, since I have already cleansed my face in the shower, we're going to open this and we're going to put the exfoliator on. Now it does have to sit for 10 minutes. After we get done with the exfoliator, we'll do the rest of my skincare and add my moisturizer at the end. And then I'll let y'all know what I think about this exfoliator, but I do love the moisturizer. So we're going to put this on and I have my little wristbands. These are from Amazon and I will leave the link below. You get a package of 3 or 4 different colors and they're wonderful for not getting water running down your arms when you rinse off your face. They're great. I just wish they had something like this a long time ago. My skin kind of dried before I got on camera. So, happy fall, y'all. I'm so excited. It is fall. Fall is my favorite season of all. And I've got to get my clothes out. So we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. And I will be back to finish the skincare with you. Okay, guys. It has been 10 minutes. This is pretty tight. So I'm going to rinse it off and I'll be right back. And while that was sitting on my face, I also put on my sugar scrub. And the one that I use right now is the Give Them La La Exfoliating Lip Scrub. This one. And it's really good. So we're going to get all that exfoliator off. And before I do the moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my skincare with you guys. I love these things. Water does not get all over the sink. Dry my face a little bit. Just a little. I'm going to go in with the Kate Somerville Hydrate Recharge Serum. Leaving a little bit of hydration on my face. And always get your neck, guys. And chest. Oh, I need to bring that other one back here that I got recently. Let me dry this just a little bit. You want to let your skincare dry in between each thing. And then before I go in with anything else, I'm going in with my Purlisse Daily Lip Nourisher with mango and shea butter. I like this one too as a last step for my lips. Then I'm going to go in with the CEO Glow for my oil, the Sunday Riley. Just going with 3 drops. I do have very dry skin, so I like to put the oil on. I don't do it daily because I don't want to get like really oily skin, but I do like to put it on a couple times a week. Then we are going to go in with our Ole Hendrickson Truth Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. First, before I go in with that, I am going to go in for the eyes, the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. I love this one. I keep forgetting I have an eye brush. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of this brightening vitamin C brightening cream. A little bit more for the neck and chest. I really like that exfoliator. It's really nice. Okay, now it is the Yuzu moisturizer, the orange moisturizer. I love this stuff. And as you can see, mine is close to half. So I do use it a lot. I switch between that one and the Kale Vitamin Moisturizer. But I do love Purlisse's moisturizer so much. I think the first one that I got hooked to was the blue. It was in a blue tube like that, but it was the, I can't think of the name right now. Let me get a little bit for my neck and chest. There we go. Nightly skincare. Let me know, guys, have you ever tried the Purlisse Yuzu Exfoliator or the Purlisse Yuzu Moisturizer? I do have a link, and I will put it in the description. It is an affiliated link to Purlisse, and I will put that down in the description. If anybody would like to shop Purlisse, they have amazing skincare, makeup. I am hooked to the hand sanitizer in the spray. I've got to order me enough. You get a big bottle so you can refill. It is so good. I've got so many people asked, what is that you just used? It smells so good, but it's really nice, the hand sanitizer. And I love the BB cream. I love their concealer, everything. I love all their stuff. There's nothing I have used that I do not like. So y'all make sure you go over and check Purlisse out, and let me know if you have used either one of these down in the comments. And I guess that will be it. So guys, if you like this, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.